Greetings everyone, welcome to Marley Beach. We're located 9 miles from Kingston. You find us on the border between St. Andrew and St. Thomas. So once you reach in 9 miles Bay, you'll be in St. Andrew. But coming through that little Bailey Bridge in the lane of Beach Road, you reach St. Thomas. So welcome to the space. Blue Mountain Sugarloaf. See the landscape. Nice rustic look.
And this is us on a Sunday afternoon, so it gets busy at the weekend, yeah?
Yeah, so on Saturdays it's kind of busy, but on Sundays, recreation day. So persons will come out in their numbers. You know, I remember Jamaica it can be stressful at times. So we have to have somewhere where we can come and relax. You know, so this is one of the most beautiful beaches in St. Thomas, and you don't pay to come here. And I do a little cooking, you know?
A little cooking. I just want my beetroot juice. I just a little and fish. Come on, tell me what you said.
So,
what number? What's your contact?
Yeah, so my phone number is 346. Well, let's say it again. Okay, no, we have to do the area code. So it's 876-346-7348. You call me anytime and I'm prepared for you when you get here.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Sunday afternoon.
You know, you have your own little space. If you don't want a cabana, you can, want a tree same way. Because we have all of that. Yeah. And as you can see, smoke and forest alike.
It is absolutely stunning, honestly. Thank you. So mainly the weekend people come, mainly?
Every day you'll find persons, but when you want to see a crowd, it's on the weekend.
Okay.
You know, most people have to work.
Yes. Yes. Guys, I'm going to recommend you come down here. I can see some people doing it, exercising, enough people playing volleyball down here. I am going to go for a dip. I'm going to curtail this interview. But yeah, this is it. One Stop Cultural Tours. Give us a call. We'll bring you down here. It's absolutely stunning. I don't know, I'd say it's a hidden gem. Yeah, some people know about it. And you were actually born here. You've been here.
Yeah, I'm here 30 odd years. All my life.
And what's your name? You said it. Come on, tell me again.
Kamala.
Tell me your name, sir.
Okay, I'm Kamala Thomas and I live in Full Bay, St. Thomas.
Okay, thank you, sis. Thank you.